Starting an e-commerce business isn't easy. I first got started selling products online in 2017. I remember thinking, I really want to have something that's my own. Technology has disrupted so many aspects of traditional retail. I started my own brand called Air Vinyl. And like any business, I started from ground zero and had to learn along the way the ins and outs of selling online. What you're going to learn here is how to think like an entrepreneur, what it means to understand that not one foolproof method will change your business, but how to approach creating a brand that solves real-world business problems and how to get that process started.